In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a market scatter plot in Koyfin. Let's start by heading to the Market Movers tab. This is where you'll find pre-built scatter plots ready to go for major indices like the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, as well as any custom watch lists you've set up. By default, the chart plots one-day returns on one axis against 10-day average volume on the other. Think of this as a quick way to see which names moved the most today and how that movement lines up with their recent trading activity. Higher average volume suggests more consistent participation, while extreme one-day moves can hint at catalysts or volatility. Once you're in the scatter plot view, you can customize what each axis represents. Change the metrics on both axes to analyze the relationship that matters to you. For example, swap one axis to one-day percentage change and the other to relative volume to see which stocks move today on unusually heavy or light trading. If you're exploring momentum, consider keeping a short-term return metric on one axis. And if you're comparing liquidity or participation, choose a volume-based measure for the other. The key is to pick two metrics that answer a specific question, so the dots on the chart tell a clear story. Next, refine what you're looking at using the filters at the top. You can isolate a specific sector, like consumer discretionary, to remove noise and focus on peers that tend to trade together. If you prefer to analyze funds rather than individual stocks, adjust the universe to include only specific ETFs. Narrowing the dataset this way makes patterns easier to see and reduces the chance that a single outlier overwhelms your view. When you're working with large universes such as the S&P 500, make use of the view controls. Click and drag to reposition the chart, and zoom in to inspect a cluster of names that are bunched together. Use the on-chart menu to further filter the data when a subset looks interesting. Zooming can help reveal subtle differences that are hidden when everything is displayed at once, and panning lets you focus on the part of the plot that contains the most relevant data for your analysis. That's it. Access market movers, customize your axes to match your question, filter to the sector or universe you care about, and then drag, zoom, and menu filter to sharpen the view. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your Koyfin market scatter plot becomes a powerful visual snapshot of what matters today.